Recipe for fabric softener for a few cents. You'll never have to buy it in the store again. Homemade fabric softener is cheap, eco-friendly, and your clothes will be soft and fragrant. Grate a bar of gray soap on a grater with large holes. Pour 4 liters of warm water into a large bowl. Then, add the soap flakes to it. Mix it all together. Soap has cleansing and antibacterial properties. It doesn't contain fragrances, dyes, or preservatives, so it's safe for children and people with very sensitive skin. When the soap flakes dissolve, add hydrated lime to the bowl. You can buy it at drugstores. Take half a cup and add it to the bowl. Lime is a natural cleaning agent that helps with cleaning. Next, add half a cup of baking soda. It removes stains from grease, blood, or dirt. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the mixture. This will make your laundry smell lovely. Just a few drops are enough. Mix it all together. When the mixture cools down, pour it into a 5-liter bottle. A regular water bottle works perfectly. It will be easy to dispense and store the liquid from it. After an hour, the mixture will thicken. This is a sign that it's ready to use. I use this homemade fabric softener for every wash. Just pour a measure and add it to the drum. The ingredients in it will make your clothes incredibly soft. Even the toughest stains will disappear, and you won't have to spend money on expensive fabric softeners anymore.